I absolutely love these crochet dolls. They were sent to me to try out, and I tell you what, these things are the cutest things to give as little gifts or even just to have sitting on like a mantle or your desk. Absolutely love these. This is the butterfly. Next up is the kidney bean. This thing's hilarious. Some of the sayings on this is this I'd shank ya. It's kind of funny and super cute too. These things look super cute on desks, on mantles, or just given as like little stocking stuffers or little birthday gifts. Just cute little mementos. Absolutely love it. The positive raccoon is also super cute. These things are really well made. Absolutely love the little sayings on these. They have so many different sayings on some of these crochet dolls, so you can definitely find one for a little great gift. Also the positive grapes, absolutely love that. The positive grapes is super cute. Then you have the axolotl here. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. The little axolotl is the cutest thing that I've ever seen here. It's like this cute little pink thing there. So if you're looking for some cute little crochet dolls, highly recommend that you pick up one of these. They're so super fun.